Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at how does the Netflix application works on the Windows Phone. So currently I'm running a series known as Is Windows Phone Really Dead at the 2018, and this could be its part 3. From part 3 onwards I'm going to review applications, official applications which are available for Windows Phone, and looking at all of its features and comparing those applications with its applications on the Play Store or the Apple Store. So a lot of my last part I show you the guys that a lot of applications or official applications are available for the Windows Phone. Today we are going to look all those official applications are still updated, and are all those features which are available for those applications on the Android and iOS store are still available for the Windows Phone also. So today we are going to test at the Netflix over here. So I have installed the Netflix application from the Microsoft store, and now let us fire it up. And classic Windows 10 boot logo, loading screen. Okay, so this looks quite like the Android app, but the difference is that over Android app you won't be able to see this continue watching feature over here, but it is given over here. So guys, mind you, one thing on your mind, because I'm not going to play any videos from here because that's potentially something which are not which are illegal to the policies of the Netflix. So I won't be showing you any video playbacks, but I would say the video playbacks are great on this application. I didn't saw any sort of issues with that. There were a little bit of lag somewhere, but I would think it is because of my device. Mine is an Lumia 535, which is sort of a basic Windows smartphone, and it barely runs the Windows 10. So it won't be an issue for some phones which are above this. There is a sort of a glitch on this model, but it is not something like that you won't be able to watch, or something like that. You will be able to watch on this without any issues. And the audio quality was also great from this. Everything was great. Like the the Android app, you can't actually control the quality of your video. There is no settings for that, and the you can enable or disable the subtitles, and you can change the audio track. All those features which you see on the iOS and Apple apps are available on the Windows application also. So due to Netflix policies, I can't show you a video playback and show all of this. Sorry, I won't be doing that. So unlike the Android, the continue watching is given at the top of over here. Our Android, it is shown somewhere at the bottom. And this is basically something which looks like the Android application itself. It is a lot similar to the Android application, except the difference with which we show over here. The continue watching is at the top, and it even shows you up to which part did you saw that video, which I think is a cool feature. The another thing that I didn't like about the Netflix application on the Windows Phone, like over the Android we had a lot of options over the downside in order to change. Over here, after search, there is no another buttons which are available. Over Android there will be settings, your app menus, etc. will be available. Okay, so over here Windows, we have these 3 buttons, which shows us the gender. Normally on Android this shows up when you hit the search bar. Over here, when you hit the search button, you have just the option for the search. There is no other options which are available. In order to enter the genders and all things, you have to click these 3 buttons. So which is sort of a not great, I would say. I actually like the Netflix Android application a lot more than this. Even there are small glitches when we play back some videos over here. Then this is the another settings which are available. I will be entering the settings now. So in normal cases, your account, terms of use, privacy and cookies. So what the issue that I face, even I will just show you this. If I click the terms of use, it takes me to the Netflix site, which is also, which is something which we see on the Android application also, which this is something a feature which I really don't like about, because all of the things has to be inside the application. The Netflix application on the Android, on the Windows Phone, really don't feels like an application to me, because it feels like a shortcut to the Netflix website. Everything, whenever I click something like this, terms of use, even I click your account, it will take me to the Netflix site, which I don't really like. Something like that. I need everything which within the application. The application on the Windows Phone really feels me like which is a part of the Netflix website itself. It just feels me like a shortcut to the the Netflix site. So guys, that's what my thoughts on the Netflix application on the Windows Phone. So guys, if you really like this series which I'm doing, that is the Windows Phone really dead on 2018, I will be coming up with some testing some applications like WhatsApp, Twitter, etc., which works on the Windows Phone. So if you like something like this, I would suggest you to hit that red subscribe button and stay with me until the end on every videos. And thank you guys, thank you for watching up to this part of this video. Thank you.